All right, fourth graders, it's Mr. Remedies hopping on with a quick little how to organize your thoughts, how to work through our little OneDrive assignment today. Last week, you guys were tasked and asked with uh, picking a famous person from your Epic library and doing a little bit of research through various sources. And now we have come to the part of our research process where we need to organize our thoughts. So I thought I'd give you guys a simple way to do that with a little Excel spreadsheet you see on your screen here. And I'm going to walk you through a little bit about how these work and what really we're doing as far as this step in the research process. I have my person. I'm going to do very important person. I got Mr. Jackie Robinson. What year were they born? I have looked up in some credible resources. I found out that he was born in 1919. What experiences did this person have throughout their life? Now, in these boxes here, we're filling out just the white boxes here. We're just going to jot down notes. This is like our note-taking session, but we want to organize them. So you may have found 17 or 18 or 20 or 50 facts about your particular famous person, but now we really want to organize them. So what experience did he have throughout his life? He was a baseball player. He played at UCLA. What is an important obstacle this person overcame? First, getting a little ahead of myself, guys. First, African American player in MLB, Major League Baseball. And then I put a year there, 1947. All right. And then I just keep adding facts here, but I'm not making any sentences, right? So, racism, harsh crowds, mean teammates. He also had some mean teammates. All right. So if you notice here, guys, just as a quick example, I'm not filling in complete sentences in this. This is just a way for us to look at all the information we have and kind of organize it based on some categories that we have. All right. So I'm going to hop off so you guys can get to work, and then you guys are just going to submit some amazing, amazing facts about your famous people. I've been Mr. Remedies, you've been awesome, and we will see you manana.